So I'm on this roof and we've got a chimney behind me that's leaking, and I want to show you what tends to be one of the most common issues with a chimney, and then I'll show you a few other things that could go wrong on a chimney. So right here, there's a piece of step flashing, this guy, and when it comes down, it's supposed to run past the corner just a little bit and turn around. This guy's doing it correctly. See how that comes down and comes around the corner? Now there's a hole right there that should be caulked, and this piece should come all the way down. But over here, we got nothing. That piece of metal, this one, does not come down, and there's just a big hole right there. Some other things I found were up at the top of the chimney. Got some wood that's cracked, and water's getting in here. There used to be caulk here, that's what this old piece is, right? But when we take this off, look at that, no house wrap, and water stains right there.